Ride1Up Portola electric bike. The Ride1Up Portola is a thoughtfully designed, affordable, and feature-rich electric bike that blends everyday utility with a fun, accessible riding experience. Designed for urban commuters, casual riders, and e-bike newcomers alike, the Portola offers impressive performance in a compact, folding frame without breaking the bank. It embodies Ride1Up's mission to make high-quality electric transportation available to more people, and it does so with remarkable efficiency and style. Design and build quality. At first glance, the Portola stands out with its modern, minimalist design and smart folding mechanism. The frame is constructed from durable 6061 aluminum alloy, giving it strength without unnecessary weight. What makes the Portola unique is its foldable step-through frame, which allows for easy mounting and dismounting while also folding down for storage or transport in a car trunk, apartment, or office. The folding hinges and joints are sturdy and well-secured, giving the bike a solid, confident feel even when unfolded. The overall geometry supports upright riding, ensuring visibility and comfort during city rides. Motor and performance. The Ride1Up Portola is powered by a robust 750W peak rear hub motor, delivering 60 Nm of torque. Its 500W nominal output is more than enough for daily commutes, leisurely weekend rides, and even moderate hill climbs. The motor engages smoothly and provides a satisfying boost, whether you're accelerating from a stoplight or cruising along a bike lane. Thanks to its 5 levels of pedal assist and a throttle on demand, riders can choose exactly how much help they want from the motor. For those who want to sweat a little less during hot days or push uphill with ease, the throttle mode is a welcome feature. Battery and range. The Portola comes equipped with a 48V10.4 Ah499WH battery using high-quality Samsung cells. This battery provides a realistic range of 25 to 40 miles, depending on terrain, rider weight, weather, and level of assist used. It's securely integrated into the frame and can be easily removed for charging indoors. Charging time is approximately 4 to 6 hours, and the bike's efficient power delivery ensures that most urban riders can get through several days of commuting on a single charge. Ride comfort and handling. Despite its compact form factor, the Ride1Up Portola offers a remarkably comfortable ride. It features 20-inch by 3-inch fat tires, which strike a balance between cushioning and agility. These tires absorb shocks from bumps, potholes, and uneven surfaces, allowing for a smooth ride on city streets, paved trails, and even some light gravel paths. The front suspension fork further enhances comfort, especially over longer distances or rougher roads. Combined with an ergonomic saddle, adjustable handlebars, and a relaxed riding posture, the Portola feels stable and forgiving even during extended use. Braking and safety. Safety is a priority for Ride1Up, and the Portola is equipped with mechanical disc brakes front and rear. These brakes provide consistent and reliable stopping power in both dry and wet conditions. While they're not hydraulic, they're more than sufficient for the bike's speed and weight, and maintenance is relatively simple. Additional safety features include integrated front and rear lights powered by the main battery, ensuring visibility during night or low-light riding. The fat tires also enhance traction and control, making the Portola a confident ride across various surfaces. Technology and controls. The Ride1Up Portola uses a user-friendly LCD display mounted on the handlebar. It shows key ride metrics such as speed, battery level, distance traveled, and pedal assist level. The controls are intuitive, with easy access to power, assist settings, and throttle all within thumb's reach. Other thoughtful tech additions include a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain for flexibility and ease when riding unassisted or on steep terrain. This integration of electric and manual drive components gives riders more control over their ride and extends battery range. Portability and practical use. One of the defining features of the Portola is its foldability. The bike folds at the frame and the handlebars, reducing its size significantly for storage or transport. This makes it ideal for people living in apartments, commuting via public transportation, or traveling in compact vehicles. The folding process takes less than a minute once familiar, and when folded, the bike is stable and can stand on its own. At roughly 59 pounds, it's not featherlight, but it's manageable for most adults, especially given the electric assist when riding.